Away they go. Senior Elijah Brown Baby from the outside, brushing up his landed visa. And by the rail is entry number 4, Big Time Bonjing. Brown Baby, Senior Elijah, landed visa, Terry Toon from the outside. And rushing up is entry number 1, Elgin. Then comes Matikas. Another far turn, Brown Baby by 2 lengths, followed by Senior Elijah. Landed visa, Terry Toon from the outside is Matikas as they race the final corner. Brown Baby, Senior Elijah, landed visa, and Matikas on the further outside is Terry Toon in the middle. Brown Baby, landed visa is on the outside, and Senior Elijah, it's now landed visa, the icebreaker. Second, close, Terry Toon. Brown Baby, Senior Elijah, Matikas, Elgin, Presidential.